Hello everybody, live from the attic here. Just want to make a quick unboxing slash unpacking. This is a package that came from Amazon, and I'm gonna just go ahead and start cutting it up from over here. Got the label pretty much on this side. So yeah, gonna take it out of the package, poly bag actually, and oh yeah, this is the Hanes Beefy-T in navy. I've gotten this in the black colorway. Yeah, let me quickly show you the Amazon listing. It's a 2-pack of the Amazon on Amazon. Got this for a good price. Got these for actually cheaper than this. Got for around like $8, I think. Yeah, around 7 change plus tax, so it comes to around $8. It was a Prime Day deal, so definitely wanted to take advantage of it. I got these in black, so I just wanted to mix it up a bit because I am a fan of this particular shirt, the quality and everything. I like it to be thicker compared to the Hanes, not Hanes, the regular ones. Plus, most of the time people are wearing gilded, the masses. So compared to that, I like it when the shirt quality is a little thicker. That way, you know, it fits real good on your frame. Especially, you know, if you're a guy that has, you know, bigger arms, you want to pretty much show if it has a good amount of like hugginess to your arms. You know, it makes them look nice and big. Good fit as well. So yeah, and I am a fan of the like I said, number one, I am a fan of the thickness, but also even like the collar. You know, like I think probably after a few washes, maybe sometimes they wear down from my experience, but overall I like it. So just wanted to quickly show it in hand. Yeah, I expect it to be darker, I'll be honest with you, the navy. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this out and have like a test, and then yeah, see how it goes. I'm a fan of the black one, so just wanted to mix it up when I saw this deal come up. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll put a link in the description for you guys to check out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.